So guys, have you ever admired those cute intros or that video with an amazing background song? So yeah, if you want to know how to put music into your videos, so please stay tuned to the end to get the best out of this video. Okay? Yes. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Mayybeylee. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can always be notified every time I upload a video. So guys, first of all, I just want to thank you so much, so much for the people who watched my last video. I just want to appreciate each and every one of you who commented on that video. You guys really made me to feel so inspired and to feel like I have people who really care about me and care about my channel. So yeah, you guys mean so much to me, and let's keep inspiring each other so that we can grow in this YouTube platform. Okay? Anyways, so in today's video we're going to talk about copyright-free music for your videos or for your background songs. Yeah, for your background yeah, something like that. So the first place that you are going to get this music, maybe for your background or for your song, is not for your song, for your video, is the YouTube audio library. So a lot of people don't know about this, but or maybe even if they know, they just don't care. They don't give that time to go and check their YouTube studio and all that. So if you go to the Creator Hub or YouTube Studio, in the YouTube, the Creator Studio, you are going to, at the end, you are going to see the music there. So you just go and check the kind of music that is favorable to you, because they have varieties of songs there and effects. Is it effects or sounds, something like that? So they have a lot of that. And make sure most of these songs, they are licensed to YouTube, so they don't have copyright. They are all copyright free, but there are others also which has, like the CC copyright. No, yes, they are licensed to. They have the Creative Commons attribution. So these ones, you have to when you're using these songs, you have to make sure that you give credit to these artists. Okay, so I personally, I don't use those songs with the CC. I just use the ones with which are licensed to YouTube. Okay, yes. So maybe if I find the clip, I will try and attach it here so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. Another place that you can find copyright music is the YouTube itself. So YouTube itself is a search engine, so you just go and search for non-copyright music and all the non-copyright songs will pop up. So I personally, I use the NCS, non-copyright songs. So when you go to the non-copyright free music, you just click the link, and then if you like the song, make sure you read the comments and see what other people are saying about the song, if they got claims of copyright from that kind of song. And most of these songs, they have their links in the description where you can download the songs from. Okay, So, and the only thing that you can do, read the guidelines so that you can know what they want for you to do before you use their songs, because most of them they just want you to give them credit in your video. When you use their song, you just give them credit in the description box, and yeah, that's it. And others, they just say things like the song is copyright free, but then when you use it, you just get a copyright claim. So please make sure you read everything before you use those songs. Okay, so another place that you can get this free music is the songs from editing apps. If you usually use KineMaster or Insur or Mayybeylee or Power Director, they all have music in the music section, but some of these songs, they are mostly copyrighted. So most of the time I use Insur to edit my videos, and the only artist that I use in Insur is Xoxo, because I find his songs, they are a bit favorable, and I have never gotten a claim from his songs. And when you use his songs, please make sure you give him credit in the description box. And please don't use all the songs in the music section, because there is an artist I used from Insur in that music section, and immediately I got a claim. Okay, so especially when you are monetized, when you're uploading a video that has music, make sure it is in private mode first before it goes public, because if it goes public and it's already copyrighted, maybe the owner will get the revenue will go to him, they will go to the company that is licensed to the artist. Another thing is, you will see the $ will be just black, and demonetized. Will be demonetized. The video will be demonetized, so you not earn anything from the song. So make sure it's, before you upload the video, it's in private mode. If you find that it doesn't have any claims, make it public, because if you don't do that, it will only appear black in YouTube, on YouTube, and people might not be able to see your video, or even if they see and it's already claimed, you will not earn anything from that. So yeah, that is something you should know. So another place that you can get this free music is from these epidemic songs, but most of their songs, they are genuine, but then you have to pay in order to use their songs. Or they also have a 30-day free version trial where you can try for 30 days, but I personally have never used that because I did not want to pay. So yeah, but if you are able to pay, you can just check them out and download the songs from SoundCloud. So I hope this video has cleared a little bit with this copyright thing. So anyway, you have to know that all songs are copyright. They are copyrighted, not unless you made the song yourself. If you did not make the song, or you did not take part in any of that, just know you are using somebody else's music, and make sure to give them credit where they deserve. So anyway guys, please make sure to watch my playlist on how to grow your YouTube channel. I will leave the link up here, and please make sure to hit the notification bell, because most of you are not your bells are not turned on, so you are not finding the notifications. Please turn your bells on to get notified every time I upload a video. Yes, and your support will be so much appreciated. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful and yes, so thank you so much, and see you in my next videos, and happy holidays, and bye bye.